Hi, it's Tasha with WTI, and I want to share with you Mr. Coffee's coffee grinder.
This coffee grinder does a really nice job giving me different settings to how fine I want to grind my coffee. It also has a removable base, which is really nice for cleaning, and I can just throw it in through the wash. I also have been able to grind different spices in there, which is really nice, and then wash it and then be able to use it again for coffee. I love that it locks into place and that there's no issue of the blade turning on without it being locked into place. If I just throw in the coffee, I can also just grab the coffee from the lid. Let's throw in some coffee and you can hear how it sounds. Yeah, it's not too loud and really nice. I just pop open the lid. You can see what a nice job it did. Really nice and fine, and gives me the great fresh flavor of coffee that I want in the morning. So for coffee lovers, this is a must item and I definitely recommend it.
So to me, having a fresh ground cup of coffee is amazing, and this does an excellent job. That's my point of view.